Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Channel if you don't know who I am, and I'm too excited. So as you know, many of us are working from home during this pandemic, and it is what it is, guys. But I had a grand playlist before the pandemic, and it has come in very handy during this time, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm a bit of a purist when it comes to music. I typically don't like to mix gospel music and non-gospel music. So in my grand playlist, this is one of the few places you will find me mixing genres. So I hope you guys enjoy. They all have a great message, or at least I think so. And I hope that it would serve you guys well during this time. So in the comment section, I want you guys to let me know if you love any of the songs on my playlist or what's on your grand playlist. So I'll be using my little Anchor speaker, not an ad. Number one. We're starting off slow. I need a mic. You gotta be bad, you gotta be bold, you gotta be wiser. You gotta be hard, you gotta be tough, you gotta be stronger. You gotta be cool, you gotta be calm, you gotta stay together. All I know, love will save the day. Well, alright then. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let them continue their bad work. Can't touch because we stay prayed up. Let them practice their evil. Can't touch because we stay blessed up. Let them burn them a candle. Can't reach because we send prayers up. I am forever humble. Give thanks every day I wake up. And we say when you're a party, we don't hold that one. Watch out for them, I say watch out for them. When you go out on the road, still watch out for them. Watch out for them, I say watch out for them. All in the one place, watch out for them. Watch out for them, I say watch out for them. I say they're all in a circle. And Papa say, oh, so you can't give up. What's for you is for you. I say, Papa, you know I'll never stop, no. No, Jah bless me with the opportunity to die country the country. No, I can drink champagne when I thirsty. And I'm far from finished, boy. And I can't believe it, no. I'm far from finished, boy. And that's some St. Lucy, St. Lucia.
See, last year I was so weak, broken down, I barely feeling, burdened by the weekend, oh. This is a new year, I'm different in every way. I want you to watch me and hear me when I sing. My hands up to the sky now, receiving all my blessings. My hand up to the sky now, and nothing can stop me. My hands up to the sky now, receiving all my blessings. My hand up to the sky now, and you have your own style. I get to love you, and I'm gonna love you. Hey. She wants to be like the people on TV. She wants to look like the girls in the magazine. She got big dreams. She see herself on the big screen. She asks, do you love me? I say you're just right. Absolutely, I love you just the way you are, girl. You don't have to change, you don't have to do a thing, no. She authentic. This other thing, this other plastic. Matter how the dollar might stack up, me still not change. Me I go stay rough. Inna the giddy and you have to buckle up your lace. Be smart, don't be a prof, no. Life is a journey, it's a long race. Mama says son, be wise and don't bring disgrace. So me take up the broom and start sweep the place. Cause all these ways they got to get erased. I love to meet people that me embrace. The truth are the truth and that can't erase. So hell to all of those who want hate. Just send me to finish this race. So we ain't giving up, no. We hold up for we got to be ready. The start is dream. So me tell the youth hold on, tell me what be strong.
Born today, just step. Good inside. Father, God, I make them find me so hard. I look at things and they not go on. I look at things and put me trust in the Lord. Come on, if you did it, not the mad like that. No make do up your work and them get no reward. No make them get no reward. No make do up your work and them get no reward. No. Just see them.
This is the clean version. Make sure you listen to the clean version. I've heard that there is an unclean version. We don't do unclean. We do only clean things over there. But I really like that song because of the background vocals, eh? No, love it.
When the devil walk with free, you don't know by now. Me have successfulness deep in my veins, me not with now. Some wicked Babylon can move on up. Me a whole lot, I give up the promise for no one. You can't miss, remember this. I'm reaching for the highest of heights. No bad man can bring me down nowhere. Highest of heights, no bad man can put me down nowhere. I'm a godless youth, I'm chosen out of you. I'm afraid again, failure is for either end. You can't believe that you are. At times I feel like the whole things that I'm crazy, and if there's one thing I'm learning lately, at times I can't study people because I like me no they evil. They don't like me yet for no reason. It's only people talking about people, and I can't take the old talk. Cause the conversation no over, and if you get them a chance, they always talking about me. Only I can validate. Sometimes I feel, to be honest, I don't like asking you for nothing, but you say nonsense, use my father, you take care of me. And when the pressure turn up inside, and I drop on my knees and pray, that you show up like a man, and all I can say is, you can know in my mind, never left right to center, can't escape your face surrender. Take my breath away, you can blow in my mind, every day you is my defender, breaking Satan's agenda, you give me victory. My heart says,
This other song is my new favorite song, and then we have one more and we're done. Love this song.
Come and we'll go.
Which kind of song more from?
What can't you do? What can't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible with our God. You do not die, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? He doesn't exist, no. It's gonna never ever exist, no. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots, but a arm of flesh. No man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. You make the little things that you be like said a big deal. Your praise makes the difference. Just embarrass me, oh. I like you, oh. I like the way you lead me, oh. Promotion everywhere, contract everywhere, plenty money everywhere. 'Cause you lead me every day. I say I like you, oh. I like the way you lead me, oh. You never leave me nor forsake me.
So guys, this is the end of my grand playlist. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I thoroughly did. And hope you guys learned some new songs. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it. hit the notification bell if you want more videos. Since we are home, I will try to do more, but I'm working from home, so that has been quite an adjustment for me. But I'll see you guys in the next one. So yeah, so if you like my hair, let me know. It's a braid out. I finally combed my hair because I wanted to feel like somebody.